Hey Money Hustlers, welcome back to Money Hustle 360, the channel where we uncover smart ways to make money online. I'm your host, and today's video is all about turning your social media presence into a cash-generating machine. Now, you don't need millions of followers to make money online anymore. In fact, micro-influencers, people with as little as 1,000 to 100,000 engaged followers, are dominating the influencer marketing game. Brands love them because they connect deeply with niche audiences, and their followers trust their recommendations. In this ultimate guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to monetize your social media presence in 2025, even if you're just starting out. Whether you're on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or any other platform, these strategies will work for you. So grab a pen, take notes, and let's get started. Before you can start making money, you need to have an engaged audience that trusts you. Here's how to build one. Find your niche. Focus on a specific topic or industry that you're passionate about. It could be fitness, beauty, tech, parenting, or even pets. Niche content attracts loyal followers who are more likely to engage with your posts. Create consistent content. Post regularly and stick to a schedule. Consistency helps your audience know what to expect and keeps them coming back for more. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create polls. Building relationships with your audience makes them feel valued and increases loyalty. Stay updated on trending topics and challenges within your niche. For example, if dance videos are blowing up on TikTok, find a way to incorporate your brand into those trends. Pro tip: use analytics tools provided by platforms like Instagram Insights or TikTok. Analytics to understand what type of content resonates most with your audience. Once you've built a solid following, it's time to start partnering with brands. This is one of the easiest ways to monetize your social media presence. Here's how to do it. All right, let's talk about joining influencer marketing platforms. Sign up for platforms like Aspire IQ, Upfluence, or Grin. These platforms connect influencers with brands looking for collaborations. It's a great way to get noticed and start building those important relationships. Next up, pitch directly to brands. Reach out to companies whose values align with yours. Send them a professional email highlighting your stats, like follower count and engagement rate, and propose collaboration ideas. This direct approach can really set you apart. Finally, let's discuss sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services through sponsored posts. Be authentic. You only want to promote things you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is key to maintaining trust with your audience. Affiliate marketing. Some brands offer affiliate programs where you earn commissions for every sale made through your referral link. Share these links in your bio or captions. Example: success story. A micro-influencer in the skincare niche earned $5,000 in 1 month simply by promoting a single product through affiliate links. While working with brands is great, nothing beats selling your own products or services. Here's how to leverage your influence to create additional income streams. Digital products. Create ebooks, courses, templates, or printables related to your niche. For instance, a fitness influencer could sell workout plans or meal guides. Merchandise. Design custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases using platforms like Printful or Teespring. Promote these items to your followers. Consulting or coaching. If you're an expert in your field, offer one-on-one coaching or consulting sessions. Charge premium rates for personalized advice. Membership subscriptions. Platforms like Patreon allow fans to support you monthly in exchange for exclusive content or perks. Pro tip: always ensure your offerings provide real value to your audience. People are willing to pay for solutions that solve their problems. If you're on platforms like YouTube or TikTok, you can also monetize directly through ads and creator funds. Here's how. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. You'll earn money based on ad views and viewer interactions. Similar to YouTube, TikTok offers a creator fund for eligible users. While payouts vary, consistent creators can earn hundreds or thousands per month. Instagram now rewards creators for high-performing reels. Focus on creating engaging short-form content to qualify for bonuses. Pro tip: combine ad revenue with other monetization methods for maximum earnings. Don't rely solely on platform payouts, they fluctuate frequently. To truly maximize your earning potential, diversify your presence across multiple platforms. Each platform has its strengths. Instagram is great for visual storytelling and brand partnerships. TikTok is perfect for viral content and reaching younger audiences. YouTube is ideal for long-form content and building authority. Twitter or X is useful for networking and sharing quick updates. Cross-promote your content to attract new followers. For example, share snippets of your YouTube videos on TikTok or post behind-the-scenes photos on Instagram stories. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to monetizing your social media presence in 2025. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, stay authentic, and always prioritize delivering value to your audience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Hustle 360 for more tips on making money online. Drop a comment below telling me which monetization method you're excited to try first. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling smart, not hard. See you.